Hey guys, so I'll get to the creepy sounds in just a moment. I just want to say a few things. First of all, today is March 4th, 2011, and it is my boyfriend's mom's birthday. Now, she called her husband one time while we were at Costco, and in the middle of their conversation, they heard sounds just like the ones I'm going to show you guys. And they were listening, and then it stopped, and then they can continue with their conversation, and they were like, what is that? It appears that the aliens, or whatever they are, whatever the noises are attracted to AT&T or my boyfriend's dad's phone. So a couple of hours ago, my boyfriend called his dad just to see how he was doing, and his dad did not answer. Instead, something answered. We think maybe his voicemail or answering machine picked it up. So if his answering machine did pick up more noises, then I'll redo the video because there's a lot more than what I just recorded. And now, before I started recording, like, I was in the bathroom and my boyfriend was like, what is this? Like, talking to his mom, and I came out and I was like, psh, 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 be my friend. I know that sounds weird, but I had this fear that if we were going to die and everything, I wanted the aliens to be my friend. But I don't think I want that. I'm kind of scared because after I said all that, I guess I made them angry or something. Whatever it was, the noise got louder. Anyways, the noise went on for longer than I recorded, like I said. So what I'm going to show you guys is just what I got. Also, when you hear like breathing, it's not us. We are completely silent, so it's whatever the noise is. So I'll let you guys decide for yourselves. Here it is. Hopefully it's not too loud. My boyfriend said it's like we're interfering with them, and then right when he said that, it just shut off. And it was like every time like we talked or if they heard us or whatever, they would like get loud or whatever. Whatever it was. And my boyfriend's brother put on the computer to see like if, I don't understand it really, but to see if the sounds were like made or being sent to the phone or something, and it wasn't. It was completely still. And I don't know, it's just really weird. I'm kind of freaked and kind of scared that that's on my phone. So yeah. leave comments saying what you think if you want to. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.